Today we are going to discuss nitric acid. Have you seen nitric acid in chemical laboratory? Yes, it is like that. So in this chapter we are going to see the preparation, commercial method of preparation and chemical reaction. Okay, first we see the preparation. Here we can study the question wise. The first question: how do you prepare nitric acid from potassium nitrate? The potassium nitrate formula KNO3. KNO3. The KNO3 and sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. So both we have to take equal amount. They give potassium bisulfate KHSO4 and then nitric acid. The nitric acid is liquid, potassium bisulfate is a salt. After filtration we can get nitric acid. So regarding that, one more question we can ask: why brown color fumes coming out when opening the nitric acid bottle? The concentrated nitric acid bottle, when we remove the lid of the bottle, the brown color fumes is coming in the room temperature. So what is the reason? Okay, the temperature is kept as low as possible to avoid decomposition of nitric acid. The reason is due to the decomposition of nitric acid. It releases brown color fumes. Here I have given the equation. The 2 moles of nitric acid is decomposed to give 2 moles of nitrogen dioxide with water and oxygen. For balancing this equation, the left side 2 moles of nitric acid, so nitrogen 2, here nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen 2, that's why I put 2. Here left side oxygen 2 into 3 6, so 2 into 2 4, here 1 5. When I give 1 by 2 O2 means 2 cancel, so 1 oxygen is there, so 6 oxygens. Oxygens are balanced, nitrogen balanced, hydrogen 2, left side hydrogen 2, right side also 2, so everything balanced. Let us see the another preparation. Okay, this is showing brown color fumes of nitric acid. Just now we have seen it is a decomposition. The third preparation, it is very important preparation, Ostwald's process. So nitric acid prepared in large scale using Ostwald process. So in this method ammonia is used. Ammonia from Haber process is mixed with 10 times of air. They give nitric oxide with water in the first step. and some energy also releasing 120 kilojoule. In the second step, the nitric oxide we have to take with oxygen. When oxidation occurs, they form nitrogen dioxide. So nitric oxide turns to nitrogen dioxide. It is oxidation. The third step, nitrogen dioxide is passed with water. They give nitric oxide NO and nitric acid HNO3. Okay, I repeat it. Nitric acid prepared in large scale using Ostwald process. So in this method ammonia is used. Ammonia from Haber process is mixed with 10 times of air. This mixture is preheated and passed to catalyzed chamber, where platinum catalyst we used, and we maintain 1275 Kelvin. The metallic cause bring about the rapid catalytic oxidation of ammonia, resulting in the formation of nitric oxide, which then oxidized to nitrogen dioxide. The nitrogen dioxide produced is passed through the series of adsorption tower. It reacts with the water to give nitric acid. The nitric acid form is released by blowing air. Okay, now we move to the next question. What are the properties of nitric acid? Nitric acid acts as an oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent means it oxidized other but reduced itself. Hence, the oxidation state changes from +5 to a lower one. It does not yield hydrogen in its reaction with metal. It is an exceptional one of the nitric acid, because except nitric acid, other acid releasing hydrogen. Okay, nitric acid can act as an acid, an oxidizing agent, and a nitrating agent. Nitrating agent means nitration takes place. Mostly we can see in organic reaction. Okay, question number 5. How nitric acid reacts with the basic oxide? Here, two basic oxides are given. One is zinc oxide, another one is iron oxide. When zinc oxide reacts with nitric acid, they give zinc nitrate and water. Likewise, iron oxide react with nitric acid in the 3:10 ratio. 3 moles of iron nitrate and nitric oxide with 5 moles of water. Zinc oxide, nitric acid 1:2 ratio. Iron oxide, nitric acid 3:10 ratio. We have to take. Question number 6 regarding nitric acid. How nitric acid acts as oxidizing agent with a non-metal? So non-metal, what are they? carbon and sulfur. Here carbon and sulfur both we can use it. When carbon react with nitric acid, it gives carbon dioxide, so oxidation, and the nitric acid reduce itself. Here nitric acid, nitrogen oxidation state +5, nitrogen dioxide, here nitrogen oxidation state +4, oxidation number decreases, but it oxidized carbon, carbon turns to carbon dioxide. Another equation, sulfur, sulfur reacts with nitric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric oxide will form. Here sulfur oxidation state 0, but here in sulfuric acid oxidation state +6. Okay, question number 7. How is nitric acid used as nitrating agent? Nitrating agent means nitration reaction takes place in organic reaction. Okay, here nitrating mixture is used. Nitrating mixture means sulfuric acid and nitric acid both are mixed, that is called nitrating mixture. When nitrating mixture react with the organic compound, that is a benzene C6H6, the one of the hydrogen in benzene is replaced by NO2 plus. NO2 plus means nitronium ion, that is substitution reaction takes place. So C6H5 NO2, the compound name is nitrobenzene, and water will form. How the nitronium ion is coming out from nitrating mixture, nitric acid and sulfuric acid, it is given. NO2 plus means nitronium ion. Question number 8. What is the action of copper in dilute and concentrated nitric acid? Here two types of equation. One is concentrated, another one is diluted. The first equation is diluted. Copper with the nitric acid 3:8 ratio we have to take. Copper, nitrate and nitric oxide and water will form. When copper react with concentrated nitric acid, copper nitrate and nitrogen dioxide will form with water. So first equation nitric oxide, second equation nitrogen dioxide. Here 3:8 ratio, here 1:4 ratio for remembrance. Okay, question number 9. What is the action of magnesium in dilute and concentrated nitric acid? So both the equation, the first equation concentrated, second equation diluted. Okay, here 4:10 ratio, both the equation we have to take same ratio. Metal with nitric acid 4:10 ratio, magnesium nitrate, ammonium nitrate and water will form. The second equation, the same ratio, but here diluted. Second equation is diluted. Magnesium nitrate nitrous oxide and water will form. Okay. The same type of another one question we can ask. What is the action of zinc in dilute and concentrated nitric acid? The same ratio we have to take it. Why? Because magnesium and zinc both are metal, both have same oxidation state. Same oxidation state. Okay. Here ammonium nitrate and water, here nitrous oxide and water. These byproducts alone different, remainings are same.